G'day gardeners, Chris from the greenhouse here again. We're just going to do a little follow-up video on the seedlings we planted probably 3 or 4 weeks ago. We're going to plant these into our main system we see behind us. We'll just run through the net cups we used, how we get them into the system, water flow rate to sort of make sure they're nice and healthy, get them a good start they need. As you can see, these are a really good stage. We can see there's a nice healthy root system on there. Got some good top leaves going, and yeah, so these are about 4 weeks now, but they're well and truly ready to go. They're at a good height, nice colour. We're going to put them in the system, which is running probably about a 6 pH at the moment, and we're currently got it about a 1.6 EC. Which you'll see that these will grow fairly quickly once we get our root system established. Alright, so join us and we'll take you through the procedures that we use here. Okay, we're going to start. We've got a few of our channels laid out. We've got our little, I suppose you call it a tray of prepared seedlings. As you can see, yeah, pretty happy with the way that these are ready to go in. We're going to get a few net cups. These net cups are just a standard hydroponic net cup, 50 ml. We find these are great for the system that we've got. Each of these will slot into their particular hole. We've got a 50 ml hole in these channels, and they're spaced about sort of 150 apart. We bought these second hand, so we've just sort of made use of the best way we can. They're pretty easy to use. We just go 1 net cup per hole, and then we just put in 1 plant per net cup. So yeah, let's get into it. So once we're finished planting, we'll just grab one of these channels. You can see how I've got a 3-bar section. That's plenty to hold up these type of channels. They're pretty lightweight, good solid plastic, lasts a long time. If you look closely at the end of the channel, I've got a 90 ml stormwater pipe that runs from one length to the end to the other. That picks up the return flow of your water. These are a 4 ml pipe. Just make sure you check them regularly, because blockages, yeah, they can happen quite regularly in a hydroponics greenhouse. We'll grab another channel. They all got their own little slots. They're about 250 ml apart. The greenhouse is sort of made up on a lot of bits and pieces that I've collected. They all got their own little holes at the end. So that just eliminates a lot of the sunlight getting into your return channel. You see we've got 2 holes per each channel themselves. One is for your main flow of water, and the second one I keep there, so when you're pulling the channel next to it out, you can actually move the pipe over, so that you don't have to sort of stop the flow of the channel system. The good thing about the way I designed the system is we've got a few different sections. One for your starter plants. As you can see here, they're really close together, 150 ml apart. and the other section we have, then we can sort of move them up to spaces around the 250 apart once they get a bit more established, once the plants start to join together. And if you find this educational, remember, hit that subscribe, give us a like, and always keep on planting.